Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. It's iPhone 8 Plus 256 gigabyte of storage, and they're recently just discontinued this model and in favor of smaller storage. And I was still lucky enough to get this on my hand. And yeah, and if you want to know why I decided to purchase iPhone 8 Plus instead of the newer iPhone, please check out my other video to give a reasoning why I bought iPhone 8 Plus in 2019. And yeah, let's open it up, I guess, and let's do this. Ooh, it's finally happening. I open it up. And let's open the box. Designed by Apple in California. This user guide, and let's put this aside. And that's the phone, and it's actually quite big, bigger than I thought it would be. That's the phone, and inside the box we have this AirPod, or I don't know, it's called an AirPod. I think hopefully this one with the lightning connector instead of the 3.5 millimeter jack, and you know, the USB to lightning cable. And yeah, there you have it, guys. Unboxing video. If you wanna know more about it, and hopefully, I don't know how it's going to be if I gonna use the newest iOS. Hopefully it would run beautifully and still fast enough to use the newest operating system. And yeah, see you next time.